Patching and updating is a critical part of any system administrator's life, but the MSSP adds an extra step where we're scanning for vulnerabilities. And what that means is we're not just looking for missing operating system patches or even application patches. Things like insecure ports that are being listened on, out-of-date certificates, protocols that aren't needed. Essentially, it's a holistic view of your entire infrastructure of where there are vulnerabilities. And while patching is critical, it can go beyond that.
In today's environment, patch management is, needless to say, necessary, but it's arguably difficult. It's difficult to be able to address what are the more diverse environments of the enterprise as well as the SMB. You have quite often mixed environments where you have PCs and Macs, various operating systems, appliances and devices which don't necessarily correspond to a traditional operating system, an unlimited number of Linux particular flavors, etc. A good patch management solution is one that addresses that diversity and helps you to identify where items need to be corrected and can do so on a scheduled basis. Another danger of patch management is patching things immediately without condition. A good patch management resource provider will be one that vets out potential threats and tests the environment, making sure that you're not necessarily exposing yourself to code that's been put in place without proper review and testing.